Hello class. This particular video is to show you how to proceed with this term's writing project. The entire term will be dedicated to a single paper. So as we go through, I want you to see how the different pieces are related. Okay, so the very first thing is we're going to go into week 1. All right, and in week 1, you come down here and we're going to go to the link for discussions. This is going to take you, I hope yours looks like mine, and we come here to your first week 1 discussion 1. And here you're going to be choosing a topic taken from the writing assignment 1 on page 299 of English Skills. So these are the different options. And as you choose your topic, and you're going to give us sort of an abbreviated statement about it in the discussion, this is your topic for the entire course. Every single writing assignment is going to be based upon this topic. So I want you all to make sure that you're choosing a topic that you feel comfortable working with for the entire term. Okay, so this is the very first discussion. Now we go back to week 1, and I want to show you your writing assignment. The second writing assignment. Now, as you read, we're going to be looking at pre-writing, which is brainstorming, clustering, free writing, listing. There's a whole bunch of different things that your book's going to go over. And in this, you need to include your pre-writing. It's 25 points of your overall grade, and begin to create an outline for this narrative essay. That's 75 points. If you do not include pre-writing, you will get 0 out of 25. The very best you can hope for would be 75 out of 100 points. So you need to include both. And now for the submission, you're going to come right down here and you're going to click on this link. Okay, and then you'll follow the directions in there. And you can, just by clicking this, you can download it into your computer, this document, download this into your computer so that you can work on it. Okay, so this is week 1. You are pre-writing and outlining. Now in week 2, come on back over here, heading up in here, week 2, you're going to work on with the response from me, because I received that written work and I'm going to put comments on there. I'm going to say you need to work on your topic sentences, or the organization isn't quite there, group these things together, don't group these things together, where's your thesis statement, all of that good stuff. And so you'll have my comments. And from that pre-writing, that outline with my comments, then you're going to begin to create a more complete outline. You don't hand that back into me though. And then your topic sentences and your paragraph structure. So in week 2, you're going to write the introduction to your essay and the first body paragraph. That's it. You are writing 2 paragraphs in week 2. And then again, I will comment on them, send them back to you, and you're going to use my comments and that previous work to do the rough draft that'll be due in week 3. Please also keep in mind that you need to underline your thesis statement and your topic sentences. 1, it helps me see it in case I don't automatically recognize it, and it helps you really and truly identify what it is. Okay, this is my thesis statement, and then you have to claim it. All right, now when we go to week 3, let's see, come on. Week 3, we go to the writing homework again. This is your rough draft. So again, you're taking those comments, you're creating that rough draft, and we are looking for it. In week 1, you did the pre-writing and the outline. In week 2, you did the introduction and the first body paragraph. In week 3, there should be changes to that introduction and that first body paragraph based upon the comments that I've made and the improvements you've made as a writer, your better understanding of the information. So week 3 is a rough draft. Please keep in mind, 1, it's a 2 to 3 page paper, and 2, you must format it this way. You must use 12-point font. It must be double-spaced. You must have 1-inch margins. The first line of each paragraph is a 1/2 inch. That means you're going to press the tab key once or 5 spaces. And you do not need to include a title page. You must follow these directions. Okay, and then in week 4, here we go. Grammar, where is it? Writing homework. Once again, this is the same topic, and at the beginning of each one, it will say you'll be working with the topic you chose from pages 300 to 306 in English Skills. That is the topic you chose in the very first week's discussion. And every single time, you're going to see the directions very clearly laid out. Okay, so here we go. Week 4 is you're going to revise the draft from week 3. And turning it into Kaiser Owl is a good idea. Actually, it's a good idea to do that with your rough draft as well. The idea is that you are engaging the writing process. Okay, so if anyone has any questions about how to proceed, the different types of formatting, I'm always available through email, and often you can call me on my cell phone. But please keep in mind you are dealing with one single topic for the entire term. All right, good luck.